Hey, welcome to Real Custom Lures. My name is Jeff, and hopefully hook into some red drum and spotted sea trout. We'll see how we do today. So I'm going to start off with the 3.2 RipRap, and I have it rigged on a 1/8 ounce jig. And let's see if we get anything. I hear the mullet are jumping, that's good. Water temp went up to 50. Let's get over here. Line good. All right, here we go. First cast. So come on, fishy, fishy. Oh, I got one already. Fish on. Fish on. All right. What are you? Are you a drum or a... Yep, it's a drum. That's a pretty drum. Come on. Come on, let's get by the boat here. That didn't take long. Let me get the net ready here. And I actually was not prepared. Where are you at? Do not get under. There you are. Let me get this trolling motor locked on. There we go. Come on. No. Come on, get over here. Oh, no way. I pulled too hard, and that was a nice one. Now I was goofing off with the net and trying to get a shot with the GoPro and multitasking, and dang it. So that was the third cast, and hooked onto a decent red drum, 3.2 RipRap. I really like fishing with the RipRaps, and this color is kind of a, I think it's a watermelon brownish, like we call it the Christmas tree RipRap. All right, back to the drawing board. Can't catch them all. I think in my other video, I kind of pointed out this blue painter's tape. I just changed the lines last week, so I have it marked for December 2025, and then in 6 months I'll change the line again. All I use is the medium rod, fast action, 8-pound Amano. All right, then we'll give the 3.3 Epic Slouch a try now. Let's see if we get anything. There we go. Now I got him. Got him this time. And this one feels like a trout. Oh, nice. All right. Got a little speckled trout here. Like I say, they're biting light, so I need a little baby. All right. Hold on, little guy. Caught you with the slouch. And I felt him hit. On the drop. Little baby one. They changed the rules for the spotted sea trout. Cold stun event, to where now you're going to keep between there's a slot now on them between 14 and 20 inches. And I believe you can keep one over 26. It's insane. Biggest spotted sea trout I've caught so far, 25. But I'll tell you what though, these oh, another hit. I'm gonna have to slow my hook set down because there's another tap. Anyhow, like the biggest sea trout I've ever caught is like say 25 inches. But I tell you what, to me, spotted sea trout, I mean, they just taste so good. There we go, I got them. See, they're hitting soft, and it was right on the drop. I believe it's another spotted sea trout. I haven't seen it yet. Well, it could be a little drum. Yep, a little puppy drum. Sometimes the little drums are hard to tell. They kind of mimic the oh, still guy. Come here, come here. Hold still. There we go. Little puppy drum. Sometimes they're hard to tell, the little ones. Sometimes they shake the head. Like, see, spotted sea trout will have a shaky head feeling. It's kind of strange. Big drum, you'll know, it's like you hooked a log. Let's see here. When it starts picking up, I will. Looks like I see some tail action over there. I think there's a red drum moving around. Let me get back out there. Yep, got one. Got him. I thought it was red drum. I think they are on the move. All right, this is a nice one. Come on, don't want to lose you. Man, look at him go. Come on. Come on, get back, get over here. You gotta have the tension just right. Because I only fish without 8-pound test. And if you have the tension too tight, you will snap the line. All right, this is a nice one. Oh, not under the boat. Nope, 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 nope. Come on. That's a nice one. Come on. Oh, good Lord, this is a nice one. Oh, wow. That's a big boy. Good grief. I knew I saw you. 23 inches. This one is a good 5 or Good 5-pounder. So those things you always want to look for when you're out fishing for red drum, spotted sea trout. You want to look for any activity on the water surface, like signs of bait fish floating around. Where there's bait fish, there's going to be spotted sea trout or drum, I guarantee. Or when they're tied along the shore, you can actually see their fins. It's kind of like, I think another term, they're like chasing tails. So if you hear a fisherman saying, I'm going out and chase some tails, it means they're going after red drum. Yeah, wherever that school went to, when I pulled out dad or mom, the other one scattered. All right, I see activity down there. Let's get down there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a lot of activity. Hope the GoPro's picking this up. There's no school of red drum. I don't know which way they're going. Oh, they are coming my way. Let me get out there. Got him. Yep, another school, got him. Come on. Got you this time. Come on, I don't want to scare off the other fish. Get over here. I hope that GoPro picked up the school. Oh my gosh. Oh, another nice one. All right. Hope the GoPro's picking all this up. We're gonna find out when I get home. All right, this one, that one I know I hooked. How long you are? Nope, nope. Stay. Don't, up, stay. Stay. 20, 22 and a half. Man, this another 4 or 5 pounder right here. Got him. Yeah. All right, I got this little guy. I don't think he's little. He was hugging that bank. And of course I'm bleeding again. Come on. There we go. Come on. Another nice drum. That's a pretty one. That's a pretty drum. You can see the tail, the spots on there. And let's see what's your length here. 22-inch one. You're a pretty boy. Let's let you go. You might head first. And this is going to be the 3.3 Slouch. Barely have to move. It's got really good tail action. All right. And this is the 3.2 RipRap. Great tail action. Nice fall, the tail drops. I mean, just really good. I fish a lot with the RipRaps. All right. Well, thank you very much for joining me on this fishing trip. Again, thank you for joining. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Tight lines.